To transfer American Express points to American Airlines, you need to have an American Express membership rewards account and an American Airlines AAdvantage account. First, ensure you have enough points in your American Express account to make a transfer. As the minimum transfer amount is 1,000 points, the transfer ratio is 1-to-1, meaning 1 American Express point equals 1 American Airlines mile. Log into your American Express account and navigate to the Rewards section. Then click on Transfer Points. Select American Airlines as the transfer partner and enter your AAdvantage account number. Verify the transfer details, including the number of points to be transferred and the transfer ratio. Confirm the transfer and wait for the points to be credited to your American Airlines account, which can take up to 48 hours. It is essential to note that transferred points are subject to the terms and conditions of the American Airlines AAdvantage program. Once the points are transferred, they cannot be reversed, so ensure you have enough points for your desired award redemption before making the transfer. To maximize the value of your points, consider transferring them when American Airlines offers bonus miles or discounted award redemptions. Additionally, be aware of any potential fees associated with award redemptions, such as close-in booking fees or award redemption fees. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can successfully transfer your American Express points to American Airlines and redeem them for flights, upgrades, or other travel rewards. Always review the terms and conditions of both programs before making a transfer to ensure you get the most value out of your points.